Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel JB's Tutorial. In this video, we will learn about inserting table in MS Word. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification to stay up to date with my latest videos. Education is precious, so watch till the very end if you want to learn. Since we are going to learn about table, we should know what is table. Table is a way of representing any data in the form of rows and columns. What is row? A row is a set of cells arranged horizontally. What is column? A column is a set of cells arranged vertically. Do remember, the intersection of row and column is called a cell. Let's see how to insert a table in MS Word. To insert table, first we have to click on the Insert tab. Then, clicking on Table button will bring up a drop-down menu. Move the mouse pointer over the grid to select the number of rows and columns we want in the table and click the mouse. As we can see, the table has been inserted in the document. There are other ways to create a table. In the Table button, we can click on the Insert Table option in the list and give the number of rows and columns in the Appear dialog box and click OK. Or we can also select Quick Table option for ready-made tables. When we click it, a list of some ready-made tables appears. We just have to select the one we want. Or we can click on Draw Table option. We have to drag the cursor in the page to draw a table on our own. Horizontal movements of the mouse would create a row and a vertical movement would create a column. We can delete the table by selecting the table and pressing Shift plus Delete. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.